Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace brake pads on a Lexus IS 300. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. Gather all necessary tools, including a floor jack, 2 jack stands, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Safely lift the front of your car using the jack and secure it firmly with the jack stands. Then, use the lug wrench to loosen and remove the 5 lug nuts, carefully taking off the wheel to expose the brake assembly. Next, we will focus on the brake caliper. Locate the 2 caliper guide pin bolts, usually 14 or 17 millimeters, and remove them. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor, being careful not to damage the brake line. You can hang the caliper with a bungee cord or wire to prevent strain on the hose. Now, use a C-clamp or a brake piston compression tool to slowly push the piston back into the caliper, creating space for the new, thicker pads. With the caliper piston compressed, it's time to replace the pads. Carefully remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Take a moment to clean the caliper bracket thoroughly, removing any rust or debris. Apply a thin, even layer of high-temperature brake grease to the contact points where the pads slide. Now, insert the new brake pads into the bracket, making sure the wear indicator is on the correct side, typically the inner pad. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor. Reinstall the 2 guide pin bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications, usually around 25 foot-pounds. Mount the wheel back onto the hub, hand-tighten the 5 lug nuts, then lower the vehicle. Fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 80 foot-pounds. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm to properly seat the new pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.